Alright, you don't
You
want
know
to
what
get
me
in
and
three
you
this
can
time.
do later?
Unfortunately.
After I've done dishes,
Hang on. Yeah, you still
me
want
and
to
you,
get
we're
through.
going to write a story. She's going back from school to write her own story. She's going. Pretty good, actually. For like a kiddie thing,
79.
You know?
Someone a selfie around. I don't quite have the deeds, but that's not me.
You want a selfie of us four? Okay then.
So I got something to remind me of when you were this age.
Why? What transpired? Why did you owe your selfie of us four? What happened?
How do you owe someone a selfie?
I guess it'll cost a monkey.
Oh! Boo! Ignore Shans and his terrible puns.
Oh yeah, how the
They
hell
were
could...
very punny,
Look,
that joke.
This is the thing though, right? How can pretty much the courts pretty much side with the whole monkey owning that so-called selfie?
Huh?
Eh?
Look it up. They went to the courts as well with, obviously, there's a complaint about the monkey owning the rights to the
selfie.
The
That
selfie.
he took of himself.
with someone else's phone.
That's funny. I don't know how Lloyd pulled that one
I
off.
said he said it was a joke, but it'll be funny.
I might be wrong with 7 attempts, see? Might be going for the full 8. Come on, just get a fucking clue, Sam. Come on. My prediction awesomely prop.
Yeah, your prediction is technically going to be right due to exchange.
Yeah, but not. I don't think he's. I think he's gonna go. So we have
I know
to
what I'm
follow
going to
the
do
exchange.
as a... s-
What do you mean? You just trolled me! He failed, didn't he? What a troll.
I know what I'm going to do.
What?
As a safety measure, I'm going to... I'm going to pretty much use the...
You're gonna
The
do
power.
the exchange then.
No.
To the left. Yeah, you might as well use the power to draw them all in power. There you go, double.
No, I'm not going to use the power just yet. You'll see why.
I would.
No,
Why?
I know why. It's like he's on about the next bit.
Oh,
Exactly.
You know he dies in one hit anyway, right?
I know, but still, to be safe, I'm not
Does it
taking
give
that
you,
chance.
Does it give you extra sponge or something, the power as well? Forward.
I'm getting 2. Even if it says 1, I'm still getting 2 because of this
Platinum.
platinum medal.
Right, he's on 84.
One more.
Right, we'll see. If you have 86 after this, yeah? We'll see if it works like that or not. Right, so you should have 85 now. So when you collect this one, you should have 86, yeah? Let's see. 85.
Oh, it's just the 1, is it?
Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, but wouldn't that mean if you got like 4 kills of it, you get backseat, by the way? Wouldn't
Right.
it mean you get
We're going to be
medals.
on a... Well,
right, of the lift? Because he's not on this next floor. He's on
trigger
the
the cutscene. Then go for the door.
Yeah, he's on the floor. I think not after this one. It's on the floor at the top of that elevator.
How many coins do we need?
We need 85
we
platinum. We've just
yeah.
got them all.
We don't need any more coins.
No.
As far as the game's... Well, technically we could if we wanted to get all the skills.
But we do.
We don't really care what skills. Well, I mean, we'll get them with the leftovers or whatever. This cunt. Go down, go down, go down. Invincibility frame abuse! I like the sound of that. Fuck him up. I know he has to beat you, doesn't he?
Goodbye, Pac-Man.
Pack zombie. it's gonna. You get a checkpoint now, so you don't have to do the grinding again. We're good. Oh god.
It's gone cold.
Right, Shans, piss off the zombies first. Draw them all in. Lloyd, you're gonna enjoy this bit. What? I'm sorry. Did she just say when she's alone in a room she does that naked?
Yeah.
What do you want me? Oh, I guarantee on the PC version someone's done that as a
Hot
mod.
coffee mod.
Hold on. That's not even hot.
The Lollypop
Pete, do
mod.
you know what the hot coffee mod actually was?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like that. Was.
Yeah, but you want like it's like, you know, naked and whatnot. It's like,
Yeah,
they're
but
all,
the hot
like, sex.
coffee mod was completely different.
She's kidding on the
Cutting
dance
into
floor.
the unfiltered content.
She's a maniac on the floor, yes. I'm sorry, that reference had to be made. Point hype! That's not, oh no wait, no, yeah, then the grind thing I came up with wouldn't have worked at the time. Because when you die it resets.
Ah.
So yeah, that is literally the only grinding spot. Fuck him up. What? Oh, that's my building. I can't see that one with me.
Dead A. I can move it from there.
That's finishing. No, I was just kidding. There's only one more of the weird video game terminals he has to play, I think. Or is it two more?
This is the last one, the freaking gondola sequence. But I'm not going for that achievement.
Come on, go. Do it. Let's do this. We need hype. Good hype!
I'm not doing it.
No, get hype for actually finishing the fucking thing in the first place.
Yeah.
Screw the gondola sequence. Hard. No, it's not. It's after this one.
Oh, the gondolas.
This
Yes,
is-
there is the fourth
This is
one.
Breakout.
Breakout.
Yeah.
Oh, that game was cool. I don't remember playing that game.
Yeah.
That game was beast, wasn't it? Did you goalie? This looks more like Pong then. Oh,
Oh,
no.
it is Pong.
Look, yeah, it's Pong. Them HD graphics!
This is what the Atari 2600 should have been.
HD graphics! What a month that has got going on? Wind Waker or something? That's not Wind Waker.
No, I can hover over and find out. People's Champ. Basically the other version of PogChamp.
Yeah, I know.
PogChamp!
It's when you start seeing things like Kappa Pride and stuff.
I was more like thinking of, obviously, with
And like, you know, Franker Z.
Oh, Frank is
Doge.
funny though. I've seen some pretty damn cool emotes, so I'm not gonna lie. Dog,
Hey.
shut up! Someone's got Fry as an emote. Helicopter! Helicopter high! No.
Doggy, she's going. What is this?
Shop pipe! Send shop pipe! People got shop pipe on the go.
Shut up!
He definitely knows how to use that chainsaw. Kill him. Don't die, Sharon.
Oh, that leapfrog.
Don't die, Sharon.
Trying to go for the down A.
Don't die, Sharon. Don't die.
Sharon's trying to go for the monster tipper. Oh, heat grinder. That's what her down smash is called. The peach grinder.
I don't need the Pac-Man then. Oh, hoi! Keep going. There it is. There's a reason. It's gotta be so fucking funny. Oh, dear.
Finish him. Confirmed Jiggy is a ninja. Where's his ninja lockout account?
I'm Ninja! I
There you
own
go.
you!
Julio made an account called Ninjas Are Cancer for multi-team. He'll tell you all about it tonight.
I don't play multi-team. I don't play that game anymore, to be honest. If he wants to know what cancer is, he needs to start seeing artillery. He thinks ninjas are bad. Ah, artillery is diabolical compared to artillery. Ninjas. Shans, the amount of kills you could get with uber mental shit and whatnot.
Uh-oh.
Kind of painful.
What's the gamer tag we're on?
We're on mine.
And we deliberately turn notifications off.
Yeah, so
For your viewing pleasure.
Yep. So you don't get like notifications popping up over the screen. Apart from follower and donate notifications.
obviously stuff I know, but
Even though I've linked it somewhere else now.
again,
No, I linked to the sport relief like donate page this time. Cause
Whee!
because reasons. Oh yeah, and I also stream stuff.
shout out to Astronaut Cream Stream and
Shameful plugging.
Brutal Shan's 1988 stream, is that what it was on?
You actually
No.
still stream?
Was it Drop Dead Jiggy?
Well, it's Drop Dead Jiggy on the Twitch.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start doing that. You gotta shoot the helicopter. Shoot the helicopter. Shoot it again and again. And then
He
shoot
wanted
it.
to send a message.
You
Yeah.
can send it, but we won't see it
Right.
until.
Don't see it till
That's
probably
twice.
the end of the game.
Don't worry.
My score and everything else.
Last time you lost 500,000 points on one session. You can't do much worse. Unless you're like deliberately going out to do worse. But don't do that.
No, I'm not going to.
Right.
Oh,
I knows.
the helicopter. Okay. That's alright then.
Where's the checkpoint just before the helicopter?
And fuck.
Yeah. Just shoot it. Rapid fire. Oh.
Save.
Then Michael Bay. I mean Michael Bay this shit. He's got a free Nick ticket. Oh God. Lloyd, prepare to
Well,
watch Jiggy cringe.
no, I'm not.
A little bit, but nowhere near as much as last year. Nowhere near.
There's an
Not last year,
achievement,
last
which
2
is
years. What am I on?
no,
Last
this is last
year.
year, Pete.
It was last year, Pete.
There's an achievement based on getting to the top without firing a single shot.
God, this bit takes me back.
I want the music.
There